Good morning. I am so excited to be here today to introduce our newest Love Notions pattern, and that is the Interlude Jacket that you can see I'm wearing right here. I always try to put as many options into a pattern as I can, so we've got two separate views. So this first one is the full-length view that I'm wearing right now. So this is the full-length view. So it's got a nice little cinched waistline. The casing you can put on the outside just to add a little visual contrast, or you can put it inside and hide it. It's got the chest pockets, and it's also got welt pockets here on the side. The cool thing about the welt pockets is on both designs, the welt pockets, when you sew them up, you also get like a little hidden secret pocket inside. So the Interlude has a two-piece sleeve, raglan sleeve. So you got a seam line here in the back, and it just gives you a little bit more room to make adjustments. And we also have a dart at the sleeve head. Raglan sleeves are notoriously hard to fit, so I'm trying to give you all of the resources you need to be able to fit the sleeve to your body. We also have our princess seams. So this is the cropped view that the mannequin's wearing with a waistband, just like your typical denim jacket. And mine also has the princess seams in a regular hem with a full-length view. So one of the most important questions we get about when we release a new pattern is what fabric to use. So this pattern is pretty versatile. It is a woven, so mine is kind of a heavier weight shirting fabric, so I would call it a medium weight. Then of course you can use your denims, your twills, linen would be great. Anything along those lines, apparel, bottom weight wovens are all great options. All right, so let me go over the collar real quick. We've got a convertible collar. It's just a real simple collar, but it gives you a really nice clean finish. The facing for the center front is a grown-on facing, so you save a little bit of cutting for you. And you can see the inside collar is bias binding. I would say this is more on the intermediate side, but if you have extra fabric, if you're a confident beginner, why not try it and just know going into it, you may have to do a couple, because we do have a couple of tricky spots. Of course, we've got the sleeve placket and the collar, but in the pattern itself, there is a video walking you through installing the collar. So inside the pattern tutorial, I have support for you with a video on how to do the collar, because that is just a little bit of a different technique to get that bias binding, a nice covered seam. And look back later this week on our YouTube channel, because Tessa's going to walk you through some of her sewing, her own one right here. So this pattern is going to be on sale for our new release pricing, which is $9.50, and it's on sale through Monday. The other thing I want to make sure you guys know is next week starts Me Made May. Wait, this is this week. This week! May is this week. That's crazy. Starts Me Made May, and Tessa and I have cooked up something really fun that we're going to be doing every day of the week in May, and you're definitely going to want to be sure you're checking in with us every single day. So every day, Tessa and I are taking turns. We've picked our favorite patterns, and we're going to be promoting them every single day in May. We might be biting off more than we can chew, but we'll see. I did this years ago, and I featured a pattern every single day and gave it a special price. I don't know, are we telling them the price, Tessa? Tessa behind the camera? Oh, executive decision. So every day in May, Tessa and I are taking turns promoting our favorite patterns from Love Notions at a special $5 price, just for that day alone. So just keep in mind, we are Central Time Zone, and it will be based 24 hours Central Time. So if you are in a different hemisphere, just keep that in mind. So a jacket like this is like a wardrobe staple, and it's such a great transitional piece. A lot of us are going into spring and summer. This is so easy, depending on the fabric, to whip one up and use it every day. I mean, the mornings are chilly and the evenings are chilly, but not during the day. It's just a great piece to add to your wardrobe. We had a great time designing this. It was a labor of love, and I hope you enjoy it.